Pains have really embraced us. Tears become our own food. They lost everything and no sign of hope. Hey, Okiju was Sadio, God of the poor. Where are you? God of the poor. God of the poor. What's an awesome?
Papa?
What is it? Has Afni raped you again?
Oh, Papa. I'm pregnant. I carried the beast's baby.
God, I thank you. I thank you for allowing me to be driven to this point. Thank you very much.
Papa, please, Papa, please, no, Papa, no, please.
Nancy, it is better you don't waste your time trying to stop me, because you can't, my dear. The last time that lousy dog raped you, I made him a promise. I told him I'll kill him if you ever get pregnant. That is one promise I must keep no matter what. So, my dear, don't waste your time.
Papa, please. Papa, please. If you hurt Afunwa, Papa, you will have my corpse in your hands. I have agreed to become his wife.
You have done what? How on earth could...
I did it. I did it, Papa. I did it to have him save a wounded and dying man. He made me hold his manhood and swear that I will willingly marry him if he agreed to save his life.
God have mercy. Who is the fellow that used such a dangerous oath in order to help? Are you not aware that in the tradition of our Amajara community, the implication of such oath is that if you fail to marry him as you swore, you will die instantly if you set your eyes on another man's manhood.
I am aware, but what would you have me do? He lost consciousness while begging we save his life. He was bleeding so much from the injury, Papa. He was shot.
Did you say he was shot? Nancy, did you say he was shot? Where did you find him?
Along the Koruku Road, on our way back from the hospital yesterday. What is it, Papa?
I shot and abandoned a young man in the forest while hunting. along the same road yesterday.
Hey, Okiju Wasadio, God of the poor. Where are you? God of the poor. God of the poor. Matanosa. Matanosa. Where are you, God? Where are you? God of the poor. Ebekino. Chimo, Chimo. Ebekino. Where are you, God? Echem no the command, the cry of the poor. Smile today, cry tomorrow. God come. Wickedness of men have taken everything away from me. Chimo, Chimo, Bia. God of the poor. Chimo, Ebekino. Where are you, God of the poor? God of the poor. Chimo, God of the poor. Where are you, God? God of the poor.
Hey, hang on. Hey, hang on, please. Hang on. Hey, Papa. Hang on.
God of heavens, it's him. The same fellow I shot yesterday, Nancy. God, please don't let him die.
Papa, please give me a helping hand.
To do what now?
Papa, he needs a medical doctor's attention. We can't leave him here to die.
Nancy, there's no vehicle to take him to the hospital.
This man needs to leave this place this minute. I don't mind if we have him on our shoulders. Doctor!
Yes, doctor. How is he? Is he dead?
No, he's not. He's still stable, but he's in a very critical condition.
Will he make it?
We can't be specific on that because he's still in a state of shock and low on blood. Okay? But what did you say gave him those bruises on his shoulder and the laceration all over his body?
We don't know.
No, doctor. Like I said earlier, he came to us begging for help. And before he could answer our questions, he passed out. We don't even know who he is. Please, is he going to survive this?
Well, because he didn't get medical treatment on time, the wound is badly infected. In addition to that, it seems he is heavily beaten. And he has broken ribs and he's bleeding internally in 3 different parts of his body.
And you say he will still make it?
If he gets comprehensive treatment without further delay, he might likely survive. That, however, depends on what you do henceforth. For a start, he needs blood transfusion. We have only 1 pint of blood matching his, and that is what he's receiving right now. He needs at least 5 more pints to bring his blood level to the point that he will survive the multiple surgeries that he will go through. We have to buy blood to make up the difference immediately.
Buy?
Yes, please pay to the accountant so that we can go get it immediately. Excuse me.
Doctor.
Okay.
I ought to donate my blood to him.
Me too, doctor. Me too.
Okay, no problem. Nurse, please take them to the pathology department to undergo necessary tests. And please get back to me with the result as soon as possible.
Okay, doctor.
All right.
Okay, come with me, please.
Okay.
Hey, Okiju Wasadio, God of the poor, where are you? God of the poor, God of the poor, Matanosa, where are you?
Your results are out, and your blood is safe and matches that of the patients.
Oh, thank God.
But you won't be making blood donations because you're pregnant, ma. Only you can, sir.
No problem. I will do it.
Right.
In fact, I'm ready. I'm ready now.
Okay, let's go. The doctor said you can go meet the patient if you wish to. My colleague over there will take you to his ward. Let's go, sir.
Okay.
Where are you, God? God of the poor, where are you?
Here it is, ma'am. Please do not touch him or do anything that will shake him. Doctor's instruction.
If you are an angel sent by God to save my brother Henry, and God instructed you to test us first, please survive and go back to God and tell him that we passed the test. We've helped you with the medicals, and we will do everything required to see you back on your feet. Did I just say that? With which money? I don't even know what Nouah would do to me when he finds out that I brought you here. I disobeyed him. Without his backing, this promise will be meaningless. Meaningless. Meaningless.
Have really embraced us. Tears become our own food. Lost everything and no sign of hope. Hey, Okiju Wasadio, God of the poor, where are you? God of the poor, God of the poor. Satanosa,
where are you, God?
Where are you?
God of the poor.
Ebekino, Chimo.
Ebekino, where are you, God?
Papa, are you okay? What happened? What happened? What happened?
More blood than was medically safe was taken from me.
And why would you do such a thing? Why?
Calm down, Nancy. I was the one that insisted they take the whole blood they need to save that young man.
Papa, you insisted. Why?
Can you take me home? Oh, the doctor said I need a good rest and food immediately. Take me home, please.
Please wait. The doctor asked me to give you this.
What is it?
Further instructions that he wanted to give you, but because of your father's health, he couldn't. He had to write it down. Please, go through it and act accordingly.
What is it, Nancy?
Nothing, Papa. Let's go.
Nothing.
Papa, nothing. Let's go. Papa, I don't like this. I don't like this. Why would you let them take such an amount of blood? Look at how weak you look. I don't like it. Papa, I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. You're so weak.
Papa, I'll have to be on my way now before Afonwa comes back.
Nancy, please sit. Nancy, you have been hiding something from me. What is in the paper the nurse gave you back in the hospital?
It is not important.
Not important. And you reacted where you did when you first glanced at it. Nancy, my dear, I am your father. You can do better than lie to me. However bad it becomes, we are already in this together. I heard the nurse say we should act accordingly on the content of the paper. So even if it is something you feel you can handle alone, God save the minds, you bring me in. You bring me into the picture. Yes, my dear. Talk to me. Talk to your daddy.
The doctor said he will not administer further treatment on the man up until we make a down payment of 100,000 naira. He equally said that if no real treatment commences before noon tomorrow, he will die, and there is nothing any doctor will do about it.
You said it's not important.
I don't know what to do. Papa, I really do not know what to do. You told me that you have no money. Besides, you've already risked your life by allowing them take an unsafe amount of blood simply because we have no money. Why bother you with such talks again?
So, what do you intend to do now?
In all honesty, I don't know. But leaving that man at the hospital to die is completely out of it. Not after I have tied myself to living as a wife to that beast for the rest of my life. If that man dies, I may as well commit suicide.
Huh?
Oh yes, Papa. I will commit suicide.
Wait. This is 7,000 naira. That is what I have in this world as a human being. Take it.
Papa, what for?
Now see, I am deeply convinced that the nightmares I heard are not mere dreams. I don't know who that young man is or how he ended up in the forest where I mistakenly shot him, or why, of all the people in this world, it was my own daughter who had to make such a huge sacrifice, committing to that lousy dog for the rest of her life in order to keep him alive. Be my dreams mere dreams or not, do whatever you must. That young man must leave. Helping you to take him to the hospital, donating my own blood, and this lousy 7,000 naira are all I can do in that regard. For Henry's sake, for my own sake, that young man must leave.
I have no money of my own. I don't. I have nothing. Or else Afunwa gets involved, oh Papa. Then we have done for him all we can do already.
Then convince Afunwa to get involved. Do whatever you must to save that young man. Promise me you will. Look at me. Nancy, give me your hand. Promise me you will.
I promise, Papa.
Thank you. Thank you very much. My God will be with you all the way. Go.
You did disappoint me. You did disobey me. You connived with your cursed father to disobey me, isn't it? Next time. Die!
But you want to kill the baby!
Die! Die with that animal in your womb. Next time you try to disobey me, kill and mama yourself. You and your cursed father, you connive with him to disobey me. I said, die!
Pains have really embraced us. Tears become our own food. Lost everything and no sign of hope. Hey, Okiju answered you, God of the poor. Where are you? God of the poor. God of the poor.
Hey, whoa, yeah, todo. You said soup is finished. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Take this 800 naira. Take it. Prepare another soup, but don't let it turn out to be tasteless like this last one. If you and your wretched family members are used to tasteless food, not me, Afe Bobo. If this one turns out to be tasteless, I will empty it on your head. Don't dare me, oh. Take. Take now! Don't dare me.
Sorry for the last time, but this money will not be enough for making a sumptuous soup like you want.
Wait, let me ask. When your useless mother was alive, that Ezopiam you call your father, did he ever give her up to 500 naira to prepare a pot of soup? Did he? Answer me, did he? Did he? Then do as I said and don't dare me.
Wait, please.
What?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry to bother you with this again. I was giving this at the hospital. $100,000 pium. What is it? Why are you giving it to me? Please, Afonwa, let's save that young man's life. Please, speak on. Please, let's save his life.
Doro. Who is that young man?
I don't know him, but he's a human being, just like you and I. And sometimes human beings need help, even from strangers.
It is you and your cursed family that always need help. Not Afe Bobo.
Afonwa, please, I don't like it when you curse my family. I don't like it. My family is not cursed. They are not caused, Afunwa. Please stop saying it. It makes me sick each time you use that word on my family.
Then die. Die, Toro, die. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
Please, I'm begging you. My father had several dreams a night before last where some strangers told him to save that young man's life. Else, my brother Henry will be executed in Malaysia. Please, for the sake of my brother, help us. Please help that young man, save his life. Biko na Funwa, please.
Wait, Toro. Oh no, your father is a hunter. How did your father get to know about the injured man as at the time he said he dreamt about him? You say your father, Nouah, is a hunter, and he has been frequenting the forest around the area we saw that young man. Toro, are you indirectly telling me that it was your father who shot that young man?
Biko Afunwa, please don't even go there. He didn't shoot anybody.
Toro, you are lying to me. Toro, you are lying to me. Is it not?
My father did not shoot anybody.
Look, if not that you are carrying my baby and he will soon be my father-in-law, I would have gone to report this matter right away. But let me advise you, don't ever push your luck too far by taking up this topic with me ever again. Don't. Because this is 300 naira. Buy malaria drugs for your father. Look at it. Take it.
Ebekino, where are you, God? God of the poor, Chiwetel. Ebekino, where are you, God? Pains have really embraced us. Tears become our own food. Lost.
You need to administer this medication to the patient in Ward 4, okay? I think he needs one more shot.
I will give it to him.
Good.
Good morning, doctor. Good morning.
Oh, good morning, Nancy. Are you okay?
I just had a little issue, but I'm fine now. Doctor, one of your nurses called me earlier and said that the man I brought has regained consciousness.
Oh yes, and
Oh, thank God. Can I see him now? Can he eat now? I brought him bread and tea.
no, not yet. He woke up with excruciating pain. The pain is so intense that in order to save his sanity, we had to sedate him. I mean, we forced him into coma.
Doctor, when you say sanity, is it going mad?
This kind of pain either kills or make them mad completely. But we need to act quickly in order to save his life. Okay?
Okay, doctor. Please, can I see him now?
Oh yes, I'm actually going to the ward. Let's go together. Follow me.
Doctor.
Yes?
Is he dead?
No, he's not dead. But one more of this trauma-induced seizure will either kill him or completely turn him into a vegetable. Do you have the money? Nancy, as things stand now, I can assure you that what you just saw here, might repeat itself before the nightfall today. Now, so this man is in grave danger and he needs all the medical support, treatment we can give to him as soon as possible, without further delays.
Doctor, please, we will come up with something. We will come up with something, doctor. I promise you. We will get the money soon, please.
And Nancy, this is exactly what you told us when you brought your father here for treatment a few months ago. And up to now, we've not received our pay.
Doctor, this one is different. Please. Please, doctor.
No way. The only way I can change my mind here is if Mr. Afonwa comes here to sign an undertaking with me that he will be the one to make payments. Else he will lose his bosses to me. And that has to be done before noon today. If not, I will have no option than to throw this man out of my hospital. Okay? Excuse me, I'm done with this.
Doctor, please, please.
Please, ma'am, try, please. Just need to. This man needs to be alive, please.
Where are you, God? God of the poor.
Now see, I am deeply convinced that the nightmares I heard are not mere dreams. I don't know who that young man is or how he ended up in the forest where I mistakenly shot him, or why, of all the people in this world, it was my own daughter who had to make such a huge sacrifice, committing to that lousy dog for the rest of her life in order to keep him alive. Be my dreams mere dreams or not, do whatever you must. That young man must leave. Helping you to take him to the hospital, donating my own blood. And this lousy 7,000 naira are all I can do in that regard. For Henry's sake, for my own sake, that young man must leave.
Papa, why? Why are you sinking me deeper and deeper into trouble by insisting this? Everyone has threatened to turn our lives into a living hell through the police if I ever bring up the man's issues with him again. How in the name of God am I going to keep the promise you made me to say to you? How? One thing is sure. I will never stand aside and let that man die. Let the heavens fall if they must. I will save him.
Where are you, God? God of the poor. Where are you, God? Pains have really embraced us. Tears become our own food. It lost everything and no sign of hope. Hey, Okeje said, God of the poor, where are you? God of the poor, God of the poor, what's an awesome? wickedness of men have taken everything away from Chimo, Bia. God of the poor, Chimo, where are you? God of the poor, God of the poor.
What is all this? Hey, what is all this? Huh? What's going on? Scattered. Hey! My briefcase! My body! Where's my briefcase? Chinedu, where's my briefcase? Hey! What am I now? My briefcase! My briefcase! No. My body! My number! What's going on?
Elijah is a prophet. Doro, where did you take that briefcase to? It was you who broke into my room, isn't it? Eh? Where did you take the briefcase to? Eh? What is that? What is that?
Invoice.
Invoice for what?
It was issued to me at the hospital. I paid for that young man's medical bills up front. I took the money from this briefcase. Funwa, I just couldn't watch him die. Please, I saved a life. Bikono, I saved a life.
Where is my money? Where is the money in this briefcase? Where is my money? Dr. John must refund my money. No. This is why I hate medical doctors. They can finger a woman and send the bill to her husband. No. He must return my money. I cannot miss my boss. Hey! No. Must refund my money. Hey!
From me. Chimo, Bia. God of the poor. Chimo,
What is wrong with you? I didn't want Take your hands off the doctor now. Leave him alone. You connive with Nancy. Yes. Give me my money. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. What is wrong with you? Leave me alone. Leave him alone. Whoever said that is a big fool. Come on. Whoever said that? What did you just call me? What did you just call me? Hey! Ekede! Is it you? What did you just call me? Ekede! Ekede, I just called Iyke. Iyke, I'll release him. You want shut up? You want me to release him again? Ekede, don't take this man out of my hospital now. You want me to release him? I'll release him. My money! This is foolish man. He's a madman. This man is a madman. He's a fool.
so sorry, sir. Sorry. Let me see you here again. What kind of rubbish is this?
Where are you, God? God of the poor. She won't where are you, God? Pains have really embraced us.
Wait, where am I even going? To report Dr. John to the police. Say who died. Mbano. That will be leaving the substance to pursue the shadow. Afunwa, are you that stupid? Nancy and her father are your problems. Yes, get at them and you will get your money. That's true. No poverty. You and your daughter should get ready for me. Because today, you are going to fight the Adolf Hitler of Nigeria and Saddam Hussein put together. Noah and Nancy, your daughter, get ready. Because I am coming. And if you don't give me my money today, hey, wele, nigga, about to touch
God of the poor, where are you? God of the poor, God of the poor. What's an awesome? What's an awesome? Where are you? Where are you? God of the poor.
You heard everything I told you. Whatever he has now belongs to but a few because he forced you to agree to become his wife through swearing while holding his manhood. He cannot therefore molest or send you away because you used the money you co-owned to help someone who is in need.
Papa, you and I know that the tradition allows a man to do whatsoever he wishes on his wife, if and when he catches her cheating on him with another man. Afunwa can say or do anything just to humiliate us. What if he tells a lie to the people? What if he tells them that the man is my lover and he caught both of us in bed?
If he tries that, I will go to the elders and tell them the whole story. By raping you alone, he is liable to spend 16 days in the evil forest, tied to a tree, if we report him. Because of his sister's strength, we have kept that crime of his secret all this while. If he escalates this issue any longer, come back to me and tell me. We will damn the consequences and report him to the elders' council. Go. Go to him, my dear. Go to him. Go to Afunwa, please. Go. Don't worry. My God will be with you. Go. My God will be with you.
On poverty. Thief. Where are you, Noah? Nancy! I know both of you are inside this house. Where are you? Job of Africa. Noah. Thief! On poverty. Come out here. Come and give me my money you asked your daughter to steal for you. Where are you on the poverty? Iyke. Come out here. You mandated your daughter to steal my money. Come and give me my money.
I am not your fellow mad dog. Mind how you call my name. Are you mad?
Whether I'm mad. So after stealing my money, after stealing me empty with your daughter, you still have the guts to stand before me and insult me, isn't it?
You are a mad dog.
Get out of my house. Yes. Mad dog.
Yes.
It's okay.
You are a mad dog, I said.
I will now show you how a mad dog reacts to insults. A mad dog reacts to insults. Stop! Stop! You're killing me! Stop! Stop! You're killing me! You're suffocating me! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Hey! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Is this a joke? Eh? Because I've forgotten the money. Oh no! I will even give you 20 allowance if that is what you want. Because no. Hey! 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 Oh no! Onisco! Because you are Dangote. Eh? You are big gate. Biko. Hey, I didn't plan to kill anybody. I've not committed murder before. Onisco. Hey, I didn't plan to kill him. Because what do I do now? Because wake up. Whatever you want me to do for you, I will do it. Because Onisco. Hey, what do I do now? Because what do I do? Snake man mass. So Nouah is dead. What will I tell people?
I said you should sit down. What is wrong with you? In case if you don't know, this is not one of the issues you will talk or act like a miserable babu and get away with it. One wrong word or move, you go back to jail. Believe me.
I'm sitting down. Okay, let me. I'm sitting on the floor now. Because, please, I don't want to go back to jail for killing Nouah.
Shut your mouth up. Don't you ever say that again. You did not kill Nouah.
But I did. I
said you did not kill Nouah. Sit down well. Comport yourself.
You know, I was going to the police to report myself before I met you.
I stopped you for a reason. Now, I want you to shut your mouth and hear me talk for once.
Okay.
Sit well. Get up and sit down like a man. Okay. Behave like a man. Good. Comport yourself. Yes.
Okay.
Now listen. You are my only brother. And I will not let you go back to jail or die on the account of what you did to that living dead called Nouah.
Hey, Adana is talking. Hey, what? Adana, I'm all ears. Afuma is all ears because.
You said that you took the corpse inside, locked the door, and cleaned out all evidence from the scene before you left the compound.
Yes.
Beautiful. Beautiful first move. Now listen. You did not kill Nouah. Nancy did.
But I did.
Will you shut up? Both of them started the event that led to this. And for that, she will suffer for it. Not you. Am I understood?
Yes. So you had we presented.
I am coming.
God of the poor, where are you? God of the poor, God of the poor, Matanosa, Matanosa, where are you? God? Where are you? God of the poor,
Now this is 200,000. You will go and get your boss back. By the time you return, I will have a plan on how to handle the situation.
Okay.
Now listen, you don't argue with me on this. Not again. Because if you do, I will withdraw my offer for help and allow you stew in your own juice over this.
Be good.
Now take this money, go and get to your boss. Do as I've said.
Okay.
Remember, on your way, speak to no one, greet no one, until you get your boss. Am I understood?
Yes, yes.
I'm waiting. Afuma, be gone.
God of the poor.
Hello?
Where are you? God of the poor. God of the poor.
The fool is dead indeed. You know what I told you to do?
What is it?
And if you've forgotten, what is your problem? Where is the rope? Get the rope and do the needful.